Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IITian Coder. So my earlier videos were quite good and I guess people are liking them. So I'm just posting another video on this question, calculus. People wanted me to explain this question because they aren't getting what we have to do exactly in this question. And if I haven't posted many test cases because revealing the test cases usually reveals the answer because you can easily figure out the pattern from like what is happening. So I have revealed only a few test cases to check out those videos. And recently, if you got interested in maybe say Android development, I have posted a few videos on MongoDB Realm, which is a latest what you can call innovation, which allows you to easily integrate AppSync. So do check them out and be sure to subscribe my channel. Let's hit the 1K mark. So now let's move on to the explanation of this question. So you are given one positive integer n and you need to calculate from integral of 0 to infinity from e raised to 2 pi x minus 1 upon e raised to 2 pi x plus 1 1 by x minus x upon n square plus x square dx. So basically it is down to just a small integral, or we may not call it small, and it is possible to prove that its value can be written as a fraction a by b, where a and b are positive integers and b is co-prime with 998244353. So a and b are co-prime with this number and you need to find a b inverse modulo this. If you are thinking about what is the use of this statement that a and b are co-prime with this, do check out my video on mod inverse and you will get to know why this is necessary. Now you need to find a dot b inverse modulo this, where b inverse denotes the multiplicative inverse of b modulo this. And the first and the only line of input contains a single integer n. So and output is given and n is basically 10 raised to 6. That means your answer should be max on. And the first 1 point is very easy to score, just solve it for n equals 2. The next point is also easy to score, solve it for n equals 3. And original constraints are 98 points. And example input is n equals 1, the answer is 2. This is because this is basically for n equals 1, this becomes 1 by x minus x upon 1 plus x square. So taking the denominator and simplifying it, you can easily get to the answer. And when you like you want me to solve it, I can show you how to solve this in my next video. If I receive a good response on this video and the comments, you can leave them in the comments. So basically I will give you a small hint and a small approach to this question. The small approach is hidden here. They ask you to solve it for n equals 2 and then n equals 3. Maybe there is a pattern and then you can solve so on for all n's. That is a small clue and small hint. And the next thing is this has this is 0 to infinity. That means it can easily form some recursion by changing e raised to 2 pi x to something. I guess these are all some hints that you can look upon. If there is anything you want me, you can ping me on my mail, theiitiancoder@gmail.com. And if you want any like if you want any specific videos, you can just leave them in the comment section or you can mail them too. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.